welcome back to my channel. My name is Magdala. In today's video I'm going to be doing a quick protective hairstyle, and I'm going to be using this hair. It is the Big and Beautiful hair clip ins. I got this in a random beauty supply a while back and it cost $29.99. It is 100% human hair. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Without further ado, let's get into the video. My hair is cornrowed back and I'm going to just be applying this in it. The color of this hair is S1B/BU. It's like a burgundy and black. I've never worn anything this vibrant, so I'm really excited to see how it looks in my hair. It has 9 clip-in. One thing I am worried about is that it will be too small for my head, but we're gonna find out. So I'm going to start with the biggest pieces. This is the 12-inch, the 12 I think across. It has 5 clips, and I'm just gonna be clipping it in the back. I'm going like this, and I'm starting a little high just because I don't have enough clips and I want to make sure that my whole head has it. So I just unclip, put it in the braids, and clip it. Alright, that's one. I'm gonna take the 10. I am really nervous that it's not gonna be enough for my head. Alright, it's very thick, I would say. I'm just gonna put the 8 in the middle. So to do it, you just unclip the hair, find a placement for it, and then clip it. And don't stop pressing unless you hear a click. And I'm gonna hear. Alright, let's keep going. There is a 7. Again, you unclip and then you find where you want to place it. I think for the 7 I'm still going to try and wrap it around. I'm trying really hard to not have like lumps, so like this part is flat. Now I'm gonna play around with the small one. I do have a 10, but I'm leaving this for the back. That's a 3. Let's see how we can tape it up front. I wish I had a 2. I'm gonna take this off. I really want this to go here. I am going, that's a 2 actually. Let's see. I feel like with this hairstyle, it's just a lot of like playing around and see what works. I think I might have to cut a few. I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna cut it in two. I'm gonna just cut it right down the middle. Excuse my scissors, that's all I have around me, and I think I might need to go get another one. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go find myself a scissors. All right, so I cut like 2 pieces into one and I put it right here. I'm gonna put these 2 pieces right here. Let's see. Again, if it don't clip, it's not secure. So whatever you do, just make sure it is clipping. I think this might be too in my face, kind of. I'm gonna use the one that I have and see. Yeah, that's better. I want it straight. I think that's nice. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna use the one. Alright, so when I started the back, I left like a big old space. I'm gonna go back with this one. It's 2 clip, and I'm gonna put it right here. Just to give it and make sure like nothing shows. Now, the biggest part of this that makes it work is a crochet needle. I am going to take a small piece of hair. I'm gonna put the crochet needle in my own hair and I'm gonna crochet it into it. Let's see. There you go. And you basically you're using the crochet to cover the root. You do this until the whole thing is covered. I'm gonna do the same thing for this side, but I'm gonna use this hair. There you go. Take a little bit of the hair, stick the crochet needle into your own hair. I need a little more right here. Of course, you have to trim it to give it some style. There you go. As always, do the edges. Booster. I'm just gonna brush my hair back. There you have it, guys. This took me less than 20 minutes and it doesn't look this bad. Let me know what you think in the comment below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.